Intermediate English. Reported speech video 4.
My plan didn't work. My mom's still seeing her lover.
Oh, really? How do you know? Did you answer her phone again?
No, but she admitted to me. I mean, at first she denied, but she admitted it later.
Oh, my God. This is heavy. Let me call you. So what happened?
Well, it all started when I saw my mom going out last week, late at night. She said she was going to the supermarket, but she told a lie. Mom, where are you going? Well, I am going to the supermarket. Now? But it's 11 p.m. Aren't the supermarkets closed now? Well, yes, but there is a new supermarket here in Sacramento that opens 24 hours a day. She told me there was a new supermarket that opened 24 hours a day. Uh-huh. But didn't you go to the supermarket today already?
Yes, I did, but I forgot to buy some things.
She said she had forgotten to buy some things. But why don't you go tomorrow morning? What do you need to buy so urgently? I will go to the supermarket now because they have a special sale on Thanksgiving turkey. And they may run out of stock. My mom said she would go that time because they had a special sale on turkey. She said they might run out of stock.
Original sentence. Reported sentence. They may run out of stock. She said they might run out of stock. In reported speech, we change may for might. Repeating Jane's line.
My mom said she would go that time because they had a special sale on turkey. She said they might run out of stock. But of course I didn't believe her. I asked her not to lie to me. And I asked her to tell me the truth. Mom, don't lie to me, okay? Tell me the truth. Oh, okay. I guess you already know about me and my special friend. Special friend? Oh, do you mean Mark, your lover? The guy who you wear lingerie for? The guy who you were cheating dad with? The guy who may ruin your wedding? Well, yes. The guy who I fell in love with. The guy who I may spend the rest of my life with. And when I told my mom I knew about Mark, she said he was a guy who she had fallen in love with. She said she might spend the rest of her life with him.
Oh, my God. So he is not just a crush then?
No, he's not. Unfortunately not. I'm afraid. I'm afraid my parents' marriage is already over. Mom, how could you do that? How could you forget about Dad and go out with that jerk? Well, it just happened. I didn't mean to cheat on your dad. That's bullshit. You cheater. How could you do that? Well, I told you that your dad and I had grown apart, and I felt lonely and unloved. Then I met Mark, and I felt loved again. She said Dad and her had grown apart. Then she said she had felt lonely and unloved. But then I asked her why she didn't try to fix things with Dad. But why didn't you try to fix your relationship with Dad instead of looking for a new love. But I tried. Believe me, honey, I tried. Your dad and I tried to reconnect, but things just didn't work out. Honey, sometimes love just fades away. Does Dad know about Mark? Yes. He started suspecting about it recently, and then I told him I was seeing someone and that I wanted to divorce him. But Dad still loves you. Why can't you forget this stupid Mark and work things out with Dad? Well, your dad may still have feelings for me, but he's not a saint either. What do you mean? Well, he cheated on me some years ago. Really? I can't believe he cheated on you. Dad would never do that. You're lying. No, honey, I'm not. He even admitted it to me. Really? Yes. He said he had drunk too much at an office party and that he had danced with a girl. Then he said that they ended up kissing and that nothing else had happened. Next, he said that it would never happen again. Oh, and what did you do when you found out? Well, I was angry about it at first, but after some time I told him I would try to forgive him and forget about it. And then some time later, I forgave him and tried to forget what he had done, but that was the beginning of the end for us.